Know your rights. Thank you for watching this video on immigrant rights. Our goal is to educate vulnerable community members about their rights under the U.S. Constitution and steps to take if approached by immigration, ICE, police, or other government agents. Please share this valuable information with family, friends, and on social media. Help protect and inform our communities. Knowledge is power. Regardless of your immigration or citizenship status, you have constitutional rights. Important: this information does not constitute legal advice. It is education. Know your rights. Presentation topics: know your rights, preparation, where can I find help? Know your rights. What to do if questioned by immigration officers, ICE, or police. Your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to refuse to sign any documents. You have the right to refuse to consent to a search of yourself, your car, or your home. If you are not under arrest, you have the right to calmly leave. You have the right to a lawyer if you are arrested. Important: do not carry identification documents from your home country. Carry identification issued by the state, city, companies, or a U.S. school. If detained, this could help you get out faster. The red card is extremely important. Print and carry the red card from this presentation. Show it immediately during any encounter with immigration, ICE, or the police. Distinguish between the police and immigration, ICE. Immigration officers have the letters ICE and police embroidered on their uniforms. Police officers only have the word police embroidered on their uniforms. Your responsibilities: stay calm and be polite. Do not interfere or obstruct any investigation. Do not lie or give false documents. Remember and document the details of the encounter. If stopped for questioning, stay calm and do not panic. Don't run. Don't argue, resist, or obstruct the investigation. Present the red card. You have the right to remain silent and cannot be punished for refusing to answer questions. If you wish to remain silent, tell the officer out loud, "I wish to remain silent." Ask if you are free to go. "Am I free to go?" If the officer says yes, calmly and silently walk away. If arrested, you have a right to know why. You do not have to consent to a search of yourself or your belongings. State, "I do not consent to this search." If you do consent, it can affect you later in court. If stopped in your car, identify if it is the police or the immigration, ICE. Stop the car in a safe place as quickly as possible. Place your hands on the wheel. If requested by the police, show your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance. If you identify them as immigration, ICE, remain silent and exercise your rights. Present the red card. Exercise your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to not consent to a search of yourself and your car. You have the right to refuse to sign any documents. If you are not under arrest, you have the right to calmly leave. You have the right to a lawyer if you are arrested. If police or immigration agent asks to look inside your car, you can refuse to consent to the search. State, "I do not consent to this search." But if police believe your car contains evidence of a crime, your car can be searched without your consent. Immigration status. You have the right to remain silent and do not have to discuss your immigration or citizenship status with police, immigration agents, or any other officials. You do not have to answer questions about where you were born, whether you are a U.S. citizen, or how you enter the country. Important: do not lie about your citizenship status or provide fake documents. Important: immigration, ICE, has access to all government databases. By law, legal permanent residents over 18 years must carry their green card or could face charges. At home, do not open the door to immigration authorities or the police unless they have a valid search warrant. If the police or immigration agents come to your home, you have the legal right to not let them in. Do not open the door. If you open your door, you are automatically given immigration or police permission to enter. Ask the officer to slip the warrant under the door or hold it up to the window so you can inspect it. It must contain 2 items: a judge's signature and your full legal name. Remain silent. Do not answer any questions. Show the red card to the agent. Without opening the door, slide it under the door or show it through the window. The red card is extremely important. The red card. I am exercising my Fifth Amendment rights under the U.S. Constitution to remain silent. I do not wish to answer questions or hand you any documents unless you present me with a signed judicial warrant issued to my legal name. I am exercising my Fourth Amendment rights under the U.S. Constitution and do not give you permission to enter my home or vehicle or search my belongings without a current signed judicial warrant. If you have a current signed judicial warrant with my legal name, you may show it or slide under the door. I will not sign documents until I speak to an attorney. 2 types of deportation: immediate deportation, individuals who have been in the United States for less than 2 years. Deferred deportation or non-immediate deportation, individuals who have lived in the United States for more than 2 years. Arrested. Say you wish to remain silent and ask for a lawyer immediately. Don't give any explanations or excuses. Don't say anything, sign anything, or make any decisions without a lawyer. You have the right to a lawyer. Ask for a list of free or low-cost legal services. You have the right to a phone call. When speaking on the phone with your family, do not discuss why you were arrested or share any details about yourself. Simply ask them to speak with a lawyer. Remember that everything you say on the phone is recorded. Don't discuss your immigration status with anyone but your lawyer. Do not sign anything such as a voluntary departure or stipulated removal without talking to a lawyer. If you sign, you may be giving up your opportunity to try to stay in the United States. If you are arrested, you will be given an immigration number. The number will be preceded by an A. Give this number to your family. It will help family members locate you. You have the right to contact your consulate. Please do this only after speaking with the lawyer. You do not want to inform immigration agents of which country you are from. Preparations. What can you do right now? They say that not having a plan is planning for failure. Prepare yourself and your family in case you are arrested. Memorize the phone numbers of your family and your lawyer. Family and trusted friends should know your lawyer's number and location of your important documents. Keep a copy of your immigration documents in a safe location and with someone you trust. If you have lived in the United States for more than 2 years, make sure to have documents that support this. If you are responsible for children or other individuals, make a plan for someone to take care of them in case you are detained. Preparations important. Online detainee locator system. Use this web page to locate a detainee who is currently in ICE custody or who has been in U.S. Customs and Border Protection's custody for more than 48 hours. Telephone 800-898-7180. Who can help me? National Immigration Legal Services Directory. Use the website link below to search for immigration legal services providers by state, county, or detention facility. Only nonprofit organizations that provide free or low-cost immigration legal services are included in this directory. Second link, apoyantes.com. Who can help me? We will update this site with additional resources available at apoyantes.com. You have rights. Know your rights. Use your rights. Please share this valuable information with family, friends, and on social media. Help protect and inform our communities. Knowledge is power.